These are my video document. Here, Gracie.
Yep.
Gracie, hold that so I can put it on here. Come over here so you can...
There's a battery. I just stuck up a battery.
What?
Nothing.
That's not that for a lighter.
Whatever.
No.
Yeah, I didn't really space them out all the way on the first two. Yep.
Well, if the pea pods work, then I can take the pea pods after they grow and I can start my growing process a little later on in the year instead of so early. And just keep them pea pods.
How long will it take for them to grow?
It said right on the package. This will take about
3 months.
No, about 2 weeks to start seeing anything. So we'll have to go turn the water on too. Okay, so the bricks are representing the aisles.
I stepped in one of the aisles. What?
So we just have to plant something over here now. About 4 rows or something.
Okay.
Alright, so we got that done. Thank you. Let's see what else.
You're welcome.
So now we gotta go to the store to get all that stuff.
What stuff? Yeah, I'm gonna go change my clothes.
Hey, first,